At the core of the DJI Neo's appeal is its groundbreaking camera system, which distinguishes it from other drones in its category. The Neo features a robust 0.5-inch 12 megapixel sensor capable of recording stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. This high resolution capability ensures that users can capture breathtakingly detailed footage with exceptional clarity and vividness. Whether you're soaring over vast landscapes or capturing intricate close ups, the DJI Neo's camera system is designed to deliver unparalleled visual quality. Beyond its impressive camera system, the DJI Neo boasts several advanced features that contribute to its overall performance and versatility. For instance, the drone includes enhanced flight stability and navigation systems, allowing for smooth and precise control in various environmental conditions. Its intelligent flight modes and automatic obstacle avoidance technology further enhance the user experience, making it easier to capture dynamic and high-quality footage without the need for extensive manual control. The DJI Neo is not just about performance, it also offers exceptional value for its price point. As we eagerly await its official release on September 5th, the Neo's combination of innovative features, practical design, and competitive pricing positions it as a standout choice for a diverse range of users. Whether you're new to aerial photography or a professional seeking a reliable and feature-rich drone, the DJI Neo delivers a compelling blend of performance, versatility, and affordability. The anticipation surrounding the DJI Neo is palpable, and for good reason. This drone is set to redefine the possibilities of what aerial technology can achieve. Its advanced camera system, durable design, and user-centric features make it a formidable contender in the drone market. In addition to its core features, the DJI Neo integrates seamlessly with DJI's suite of apps and software, providing users with advanced editing tools and real-time data analytics. These features enable drone pilots to maximize their creative potential and make the most of their aerial footage. Another notable aspect of the DJI Neo is its battery life and charging capabilities. The drone is equipped with a high-capacity battery that offers extended flight times, allowing users to capture more footage on a single charge. Additionally, the Neo supports fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. As we conclude our first hands-on review of the DJI Neo, it's clear that this drone represents a significant leap forward in aerial technology. Its blend of cutting-edge features, sleek design, and competitive pricing make it a standout choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, recording dynamic action shots, or simply exploring the world from a new perspective, the DJI Neo is set to deliver exceptional performance and value. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we approach the DJI Neos.